Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So in this video we are going to discuss about a job in Disney Careers. Like, it is a company, Disney, which is a multinational company, and it's having its office all over the world in different countries. So in India it is having its branch in Mumbai. So there is a job for litigation, or if you are a law graduate, then there is a job for you in Mumbai. So if you are belonging to any other state, or if you are belonging to Mumbai, then you can do job here. And everything you want to know about this job, you can go to the official website of Disney Careers. I will provide the link in description about this particular website, so you can click over that and you can go to the official website and check all the details about this, what this company is all about, and what your job will be and what you have to do in this company. Other than this, the basic requirement for doing this job is that you should have qualification of LLB, that you must have completed your LLB from a premier law college, and if you have done your LLM also, then that will be a plus point. But there is no a must requirement for this, that you should not necessarily have LLM, but if you have done then that then that will be a plus point for you. And you must have your interest in telecom, FMCG, pharma, IT or broadcasting sector, as this company is basically dealing with within these sectors only. And you must have a good knowledge and skills about Contract Act and Negotiable Instrument Act, as there will be lots of contract you have to make and you have to deal with lots of contracts. And other than this, negotiable instruments like check, cases regarding check, like dishonor of check and all these things. So you must have a basic knowledge about these and how cases are being filed about negotiable instruments when the check get dishonors, and how you have to file your case and how you have to send your notice. You should have these basic knowledge. So this is a good opportunity for you if you want to pursue your career in a litigation in a corporate sector. Then you can apply here. A handsome salary will be offered to you, as we all know that this is a multinational company. There is no mention about the salary in this information which I got from the official website of Disney, but as we know this is a multinational company, then that will offer a good salary, a handsome salary. So you can apply here. First you have to go to the official website, then you have to click over apply now. When you will click over apply now, then you have to create your account where your basic details will be asked, and you have to fill all those details, and email will be sent to you. After that you have to log in and apply for this job, and further procedure you can know after applying. And an interview will be conducted of you, and then at that point only your salary will be discussed. So you can apply here. This is a good opportunity for you, and you can share it with your any friend who is in search of job after doing LLB, or who want to pursue his career in a corporate sector through litigation. So this is a good opportunity for you. You can apply here. This is a good job in Mumbai. So this is all for this video. I hope you like this video. Please do like it and share this video with your all friends as much as possible, as it will help them to pursue their career in a good way. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.